Hey guys, what's up? So to me, show you the top best short keys 5, 7, 12, 13, 14. The first is called Rounding Corners 11 and gives you rounded corners. Next is called Silica 2, better AirPod adjuster controls. So you play, pause, skip, rewind 15 seconds, toggle repeat, toggle shuffle, increase or decrease volume, and get Siri. So add these cool gestures and features to your AirPods. Next is called AirDrop Disable, removes the atrocious AirDrop section from the action sheets. This is called AirDrop Confirm and adds a confirmation dialog when selecting an AirDrop device in the iOS share sheet. Next is called AirDrop Flip Switch. It requires AirDrop compatibility iOS 7 or up as a flip switch toggle for AirDrop. And you have AirDrop Enabler, so enables AirDrop iOS 7 and up, so only compatible with iPad 3rd gen. This is called Switch Confirm. Confirm before switching apps. So you know, like sometimes they like to sneak these little sneaky things, like to take you to another app. This actually allows you to confirm it before you actually switch into the other app, or in case a redirect URL is present. So next is called Sakal. Quickly glance at your UpNet's info from your lock screen. Next is called Easy Edit Alarms, which lets you edit alarms with a single tap on the alarms. This is called Rhino. It's Instagram Plus alternative. So you have these features: user features, story features, pro features. So all for an Instagram app. Does not work on Instagram. You do have to downgrade it or wait for an update for this tweak. So, and the last tweak is called Keep It Simple. Okay, just making sure this is the last tweak. All right, cool. All right, so what this tweak does: notification settings are a mess as it tries to move notifications around the old notifications or some other lists. It forces iOS to always maintain a single notification list. So pretty cool. So instead of having notifications everywhere, you have one list of notifications. So one I'll make you these two. But yeah, pretty cool. Next is called One Notify, and always see all the notifications on your lock screen. And the last piece called Notiv, always show your notification history on your lock screen. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.